Hi, friends. Welcome back to Tapping into Freedom. I'm Maria LiPuma, an EFT master practitioner, and I'm here to help you to tap into more freedom. And I've been talking about addiction and addictive behaviors. So often, when we're caught in addictive behaviors, it triggers a lot of shame and guilt and remorse. And so, in order to start to heal, we need to accept where we're at with compassion. And I know I've shared this before. In this video, I'd like to guide you in a tapping sequence that will enable you to have more acceptance of where you're at, to release the guilt and the shame, and to have more self-compassion and self-acceptance. So if you are caught in a struggle with addictive behaviors, then this video is for you. So we begin by tapping on the side of the hand. Take a deep breath in and let it go. And I invite you to change the language if it doesn't totally land for you. The more specific you can be, the more effective this will be. Just tune into what you might be grappling or struggling with right now in regards to addictive behaviors. Maybe the last time you acted out. Even though I'm struggling with this addictive behavior, and it's bringing up a lot of shame and frustration, I deeply and completely love and accept myself with compassion. And if you're having difficulty loving and accepting yourself, begin with, wouldn't it be nice if I could be more loving and accepting of myself with compassion? Even though I'm struggling with this addictive behavior, today I am choosing to have more compassion for myself. Even though I'm struggling with addictive behaviors and the feelings of frustration and guilt and shame, today I'm choosing to have more compassion for myself and maybe even some curiosity. And take a deep breath in and let it go. And tapping through the round, this shame and guilt and frustration that gets triggered every time I act out. Today I'm choosing to have some compassion for myself. And even though I've been stuck in this pattern of destructive and addictive behaviors, wouldn't it be nice to have some compassion for myself? Even though I feel frustrated and often out of control, today I choose to accept myself with more compassion and understanding. Even though this addiction sometimes has me in its grip and I feel out of control, today I choose to have some compassion for myself. Even though I don't like these behaviors and I'm struggling with them, today I'm choosing to have some compassion for myself. And as I have more acceptance and compassion for myself, I can breathe a little deeper. I can maybe be a little bit more curious about what is really driving the addictive behavior. Today, I'm choosing to explore this in a different way. Today, I'm choosing to stop beating myself up. to have some compassion for myself, to be curious about what is driving the behavior. And as I'm curious and compassionate, I can go a little deeper and release the pattern, the subconscious hold that this addictive behavior has on me. Today I choose acceptance, self-compassion, and even self-love. And I'm so grateful and appreciative that I'm choosing to take a different approach. Self-compassion, self-acceptance, and ultimately self-love. Bring your hands to your heart. Take a deep breath in and let it go. You may want to do another round or two until you come to a place of inner peace. Once you come to a place of inner peace, you may get a little deeper in understanding what is driving the addiction, what is driving the behavior. Beating yourself up, feeling frustrated, and losing patience with yourself will only drive you in deeper. Acceptance of where you're at is the first step. Self-compassion is the way to heal this on a much deeper level. Your health and your happiness matter. If this content interests you, go ahead and subscribe. If you know anybody else that is struggling with addictive behaviors, go ahead and share this video. Also, if you're interested, you can schedule a complimentary consultation with me, and I'd be happy to chat with you about how we could possibly work together. Also, you might be interested in my live workshop beginning the end of May. Break free from addictive behaviors. You could click on the link below and learn more about it. As always, your health and your happiness matter. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.